Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. First, I imported my files into the timeline. Next, I opened the effects library, went to OpenFX and typed video collage in the search bar. I then dragged the video collage effect onto my top footage. After selecting the top footage, I went to the effects panel and changed the workload to create title. Then under layout, I set the number of rows to 1 and the number of columns to 3. Since I have 3 video clips, moving on to margin and spacing, I adjusted the settings to customize the split screen collage to my liking. After finalizing the shape and position of my split screen, I right-click on the video and selected copy. Then I selected my second video, right-click, and chose paste attributes. I made sure video attributes was selected before clicking apply. Next, I highlighted the second video footage, went to effects, selected tiles, and assigned it to tile 2, placing the second video in the middle. I repeated the same process for the third video. Pasted attributes from the first video, click apply, highlighted it, went to effects, selected tile 3 if something seems off with your footage. You can go to the globals tab and adjust the position of any clip. You can also use the inspector panel under the video tab to fine-tune the X and Y position of each video until everything is perfectly aligned. And that is everything you need to know about how to create split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.